Hi everyone, my name is Claudia and I'm elite esthetician and global trainer with RéVive skincare. Many clients has asked me about routine for breakout skin. Some of you indicated that those breakouts are caused by wearing a protective mask. Please make sure you wear those protective masks. They are very important. They give us safety and protect us from others to ensure that we all stay healthy. So now I'm going to show you a few tips how you can cleanse, exfoliate, mask and treat your skin in order to help fight the breakouts. I am going to start with the cleanser, and today I chose a foaming cleanser. The foaming cleanser is one of my favorites because not only that it helps to really deeply clean your skin, but it leaves your skin hydrated and soft. I'm going to show you the texture. It's a very creamy texture, almost like a balm, and has those red tiny beads. Hopefully you can see them. Those are vitamin E beads that melt in your skin while we're cleansing and give your skin softer and smoother feel. Very important tip is to add water in order to create that beautiful foam. Very decadent, rich, creamy foam. And I start with the cleansing process on my jawline in a circular movements, moving to the cheeks. You want to make sure you cleanse very well around your nose. As well as your forehead. So the smell of the cleanser is also very pleasant. It has some shea butter and some green tea to really keep the skin hydrated and refreshed. So now I'm going to rinse my skin with water. So I just rinsed my skin with water. I left it a little damp because now I'm going to use my exfoliating polish. It's called La Polish. It is a very gently refining and purifying resurfacing treatment. It has some aluminum oxide crystals. They're very fine, but they're very thorough. So this product really can give you a great polish, remove all the dead cells and impurities from your skin. I also add a little bit of water just to make it more creamy. It is a pretty pasty texture, and again blend it between my palms, and I'm going to start on my jawline, also chin, around the nose. That's the area when you really want to focus with your exfoliation, because we tend to get clogged pores and blackheads around the nose area. Those particles are very fine, but they're very thorough. So as you start applying, you will feel them on your skin. So I do not recommend to rub too hard or too long. I would say about 30 seconds. Circular movements. So now I'm gonna rinse my skin with water again. So I just removed La Polish. My skin feels amazing, clean and refreshed, but not dry. That's what I love about it. And to complete my cleansing routine, I'm gonna use balancing toner. I'm gonna apply it on 2 cotton pads and just sweep it across my face. Very often I've been asked how important is using toner, and I think it should complete every cleansing regimen. Not only that it helps to remove impurities and makeup, but also it prepares your skin for the next step, to receive the active ingredients from serum and moisturizer. So right now I'm gonna apply Masque. Masking is very important, just as important as exfoliating. Today I'm going to use Masque the Glaze. Masque the Glaze, it's a purifying clay mask that helps to refine your pores, really purify your pores and balance your skin out. So the mask is pretty thick and creamy. That's why I recommend to mix it with water again. A good amount of water will make it a little more spreadable. So I spread the mask between my palms and then I apply, starting on the jaw, nose and cheeks, around your mouth, making sure again you spread it well around your nose and forehead, going down your temple. So it's gonna look a little gray, a little purpley. You wanna leave the mask on for about 5 to 10 minutes to really purify your pores and refine your pores. And I wanna show you how the mask looks. It's actually very tight. The kaolin clay that's in the mask dries out. It allows the product to really penetrate into your pores and purify and balance out the oil overproduction. You might be able to see my pores as well as lines and wrinkles. I cannot even smile, it's pretty tight and firm. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the mask. So I just removed the mask and my skin feels wonderfully refreshed, clean and purified, and my pores feel refined. As a treatment to use right after the mask, I recommend the Acne Reparative. So this is like an acne gel treatment that features salicylic acid, but also has some anti-aging ingredients. And I really encourage you to use it on the entire face to purify and prevent the blackheads and breakouts. You want to just use it in the middle of your palm, blend it in and apply it. It has a beautiful refreshing smell. Very important, again, make sure you apply it around your nose area, chin, jawline. Kind of like a T-zone is usually the area when we get the most blackheads or breakouts. But twice a week you can actually use it all over your face. It is a great purifying and refining treatment. You can see my skin feels really refreshed and it has a beautiful glow of healthy skin. So I really encourage you to do all this on your daily basis. If you want, you can follow the Acne Reparative treatment with appropriate serum and day or night moisturizer, and of course SPF. Never forget to put SPF when you leave your house. Thank you for watching.